Good day, sir. Thank you for calling Bitek Fine Dining Restaurant. This is Marian Regasa speaking from Reservation Department. How may I assist you, sir?
I just want to have a table reservation.
Before anything else, sir, may I have your name, address, contact number, and date and time reservation? And how many person? Smoking or non-smoking area or other special request?
On September 25, 2025 at 3 p.m. in the afternoon.
Okay, Sir Kyle, may I know if you have a special request or other concern?
No, I don't have any concern at all. Thank you.
Before I ended up this call, sir, I will repeat the details. On September 25, you have a reservation in Bitek Fine Dining Restaurant at 3 p.m. with 5-person and non-smoking area. Is that right, Sir Kyle? Thank you for calling and trusting Bitek Fine Dining Restaurant, Sir Kyle. We hope to see you on September 25, 2025 at 3 p.m. Have a great day, sir!